Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today we have another Marshall's haul. It is not just accessories. It features something that I mentioned in a previous video that I was looking for. So let's get started. I was not expecting to find multiple accessories at Marshall's, but this was the first goodie found. This is another genuine leather piece, and it is a made in India artisan piece as well. Look how much I paid for this, y'all. It was $25. I paid $8 for this wallet. So it does not have a zip around. I'm sorry, it doesn't have a full zip around, and it does not have a strap, but the zipper does come down this far on this side, and look how wide it opens. So let's see how many cards slots it has. 1, 2, 3, so 6 on each side. And it has a slip pocket back here behind these cards. A slip pocket behind these cards. And it has a double divider, so I can put something there, there, and there. So 3 compartment or 3 sections there in the middle. That's in replace of an actual zipper. So it doesn't have an interior zipper, but you can easily put something between there and it will be secure. So, and it's, y'all, it's so soft. And I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but this color is not quite lavender. Maybe closer to a cross between the lilac and like a soft rose pink, maybe. Kind of hard to describe. So I'm hoping that it doesn't just look gray on camera, because it is. And I don't have anything, let's see, nearby to put it close to. I have this little pink cosmetic bag that may help bring out its color for you to see. I don't know if that helps or not. Hopefully it does. But that's the first item. Definitely a good find. Oh, and the outside, it does snap open, and that's also an additional pocket as well. Excuse me. So I thought that was pretty cute and a good wallet color to have. And it's genuine leather, so that's a win-win for $8. And I also found a white. Now this one is a full zip around, and this is more of an off-white color. And it's more of a pebble leather as well. As you saw, this one was much smoother. But this is more of a pebble leather, and it does have a strap. It's not detachable, but it does have a wristlet strap to match. Also genuine leather as well. A made in India artisan item, and this one was $25. And let's take a look inside. Very expansive as well. So it opens really wide, and it has the very similar setup. So there's a slip pocket behind the card holder sections, and there is one, two, so 4 card slots on each side, a divider on each side of the middle zipper compartment on this one. And I don't have an actual full zip around white wallet. So even though this one is more of an off-white, I'm pretty sure I can still pair this very easily with one of my handbags. So that was the second find. Y'all, I have been picturing this wallet. I wasn't sure of the actual wallet silhouette. I knew I wanted a solid red wallet. I had been looking at the large zip around wristlet from Dooney and Burke. But on their purple grain, it does have brown around the logo patch, and I was okay with that, but I didn't really feel that I needed another large one in red, and I wanted something that could go either or in a big size purse or a smaller purse. So I'm glad that I found this one. This is all solid red, even the stitching. And this snap pocket here, it does have space for cards and cash on each side of the zipper opening there. Snap button closure. And then this snaps open. And this is an actual wallet. So I can put bills here, cash there. And then it has a lot of card slots. So at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something can go there. One back here. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At least 15 or 16 card slots and additional compartments behind the card slots as well. So there's a lot of compartments and room in this wallet, and I'm loving the color. It's just the right red that I was looking for. Let me put it next to my red Cooper drawstring to see if it's the same red, because I had not tried that, or to see if the red differs. Y'all, I think that matches. I think it can go very well, no problem at all. So I'm glad with that one. And if I didn't already show the price, this one was $16.99. Not bad for a genuine leather piece. And it's medium size, so like I said, it can fit in a smaller or large purse. And this is it in comparison to the large zip around. Glad to have found that. So those are all 3 of the accessory pieces. And y'all, I wish I had my camera going when I got this purse. I recorded the purse actually hanging up. But if I tell you, I have a brief story time for what it took to get this purse. So I did do a Margot, New York accessory haul in the previous TJ Maxx video, and I mentioned that I'd been looking for a purse but wasn't quite sure which one I wanted to get or which color I wanted to get. So I ended up finding this one at Marshall's, and it was on the very last aisle. So I think it was with the markdowns. And I didn't realize that it was attached. So some way they put the security, I don't know how they got it through here, but they put the security cord through here. And so when the lady came to unlock the purse, she could not get it back through this opening here. So she tried, someone else came and tried. They literally had to go to the back and get some huge like wire cutters to cut the security cord off. It started buzzing, and just to free up the purse. And I didn't think to record it until she had already cut the cut the security cord from it. But I'm like, am I not meant to get this purse or what? Anyway, I got it. So this is actually the same silhouette as the one that I mentioned that it didn't have a long enough drop on it. But I figured I could work with this one, especially for the price. One thing that I do like about it is that it has these huge front pockets. It does have the Margot, New York label here on the side. The back also has the same pockets as well. And y'all, if y'all ever get your hands on a Margot, New York leather bag or accessory, you will see what I mean. I'm not exaggerating on how soft this leather is. Extremely soft. So this is the bottom of it. As you see, it is black. The strap itself, it can be adjusted to a shorter shoulder length, but I believe I have it at almost the maximum for using it as a crossbody. It doesn't really drop down as low as I prefer, but I'm going to work with it and see if I can possibly extend it out or just carry it as a shoulder bag. But I'm definitely loving these pockets on the front. So a quick look at the inside. And after seeing this one, I may, well, I would probably try to get a different silhouette in the tan color. It's more of a natural tan leather color. Because I've seen it in this one, but it wasn't for the same price. It was at a TJ Maxx and it was at full or regular price. Excuse me. So this is the inside. So on the back of the purse, it does have a zipper pocket. It does have the Margot New York leather patch, genuine leather, on the inside or outside of that pocket. And then on the front side, it just has one slip pocket there. And one thing that I thought about after the fact, I do have a large zip around that matches this in black. Let's see if I still have it here next to me or not. This is the brandy one, so that one can definitely add some pop and color to it. But I have a black one that matches it as well. So either one of these could easily go with it. Let me make sure I have it all in shot there. Either one of these could easily go with it, but this definitely with the black matches it. And then also from my other TJ Maxx video that I just, let's see what I did with it. Here it is. This one, I wasn't quite sure what I would pair with this card case, but this one can easily go with this as well. And I have other accessories this color that I can pair with it also. So that's just something that I thought about that I could pair with this particular bag. But it is a very good size bag. I can do some quick measurements for you. And the price originally, it is called an Evelyn Hobo. And original price is $228. The Marshall's price, I almost said TJ Maxx, y'all. The Marshall's price was $70 originally. It was $56, I believe, is what's under here. And then the lady that cut, I believe it was the manager, she went ahead and gave me additional off, especially because it was such a struggle to get it removed from the security cord, and she marked it down to $43. So I am very happy with that, because that's almost half the price of what the original one was that I was looking at TJ Maxx in the natural tan color. And just so you know, the color that I'm speaking of, it's closer to this color, if not lighter. This same bag or silhouette, they had it in the, or it comes in this color as well. But that's it, y'all. That's my Marshall's haul. I got some cute accessories, and I got my first Margot New York bag, and I'm looking forward to carrying it and pairing some accessories with it as well. It's black, so that would be no problem to put some very pretty accessories with it. I was gonna see what else I would pair with it, but I'll definitely save that for another video. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and comment below, let me know if you all have been to Marshall's lately. I am really wanting to find out if there are more Margot New York silhouettes or pieces that may be offered in other locations outside of mine that I haven't seen before. And also let me know, y'all, if you have picked up any of the artisan leathers that come that are sold at TJ Maxx as well as Marshalls that have the Made in India label on them. Because I have in another video some from TJ Maxx and it has the same label on it. I actually bought a very pretty turquoise color bag, artisan bag. So let me know if you all have any pieces from either Margot, New York, or the Made in India artisan crafted pieces. I would really like to know. But I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.